Welcome friends on Leo English Hub vocabulary section, and today we are going to learn different vocabularies which are used in at different scenarios. We have some words over here: ride, drive, fly, sail, operate, and run. These 6 words are kind of similar words, but many students make mistakes while using these words. So we are going to look them one by one. So first of all, ride. So ride is used to indicate when we ride on a two-wheeler or an animal ride. Drive, to drive a vehicle with more than two wheelers. Fly, to fly kites on an aeroplane, helicopter, and so on. To sail a boat, steamer, etc. Operate, to run a computer or a machine. And run, to run home, company, business, profession, and so on. So I hope guys you can clear this thing. Thank you very much for joining us today.